In college counseling class, we have been working on choosing a career and starting a college plan. This is an ongoing process. We have discussed this already. During this journey, you may want to reflect every step of the way, look back, and modify whatever is necessary. Today in class, we'll work on values, interests, and skills, because all of this together will give you a lot of information to find the best career or occupation for you. Today I would like to present you a research project you will need to conduct. Because you don't know what you don't know, we need to research a lot. Based on the career or occupation that you chose, you have to come up with a presentation. And you will record yourself presenting all your findings. First, you'll have to fully describe the occupation or career you chose. Be thorough. Then, list all the skills required. Also, you can look in different universities and find which classes you would need to take once you enroll for that career or occupation. Once you have that, find ads looking for professionals in that area. It can be newspapers, and LinkedIn, or human resources websites. What are the skills that they require? What are the type of companies looking for professionals in that area? Look for the average salary here in Costa Rica and the projected growth for this career. Then, with all this information in hand, please interview a professional in that area. Share all your findings with that person and get some feedback, recommendations, and suggestions from that person. At the very end, with all the information you compiled, please share some final reflections. What do you think about this project? Are you still considering the same career? Maybe a different emphasis? Do you want to reflect and maybe choose a different career? Everything is possible. It's fine. Also, I'm sharing with you some resources to help you conduct this project. All of this will be posted on Google Classroom, and you have to upload your video in here as well. Very important, this is due September 23rd. For your video, you can use Loom, Screencast-O-Matic, or any other application. Thank you. Can't wait to see all your videos.